Are you ready to have your mind blown in the animal kingdom? Here we go. Let's talk about chameleons, those fascinating creatures with the ability to change color. Contrary to popular belief, this isn't a camouflage tactic. Nope, they're not doing it to blend in. It's actually a response to their mood, temperature, and even a way to communicate. So next time you see a chameleon changing color, remember it's not trying to hide, it's just having a mood swing. From color-changing lizards to the largest land mammal, elephants. But do you know what they're scared of? Elephants, the gentle giants of the wild, are known for their size and strength, yet they harbor a surprising and somewhat comedic fear. Can you believe they are terrified of bees? That's right, those tiny buzzing creatures that are just a fraction of an elephant's size. This fear is so pronounced that elephants have even developed a specific alarm call to warn others in the herd of a bee threat. Imagine that, a creature as large as an elephant running from a bee. It's a reminder of how even the mightiest beings have their vulnerabilities. Yes, the mighty elephant is scared of the tiny bee. Nature sure has a sense of humor, doesn't it? From land to sea, let's dive into the world of the octopus. Picture this, an 8-armed, 3-hearted, blue-blooded maestro of the ocean. Yes, you heard that right. Octopuses have not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts pumping blue blood through their bodies. But that's not where the marvel ends. These creatures are a testament to the extraordinary intelligence that exists beneath the waves. They're known to use tools, just like humans do. Ever seen an octopus opening a jar? It's not a trick, it's their innate problem-solving skills at work. Even more impressive, they can escape from the most intricate traps and closed jars with a finesse that would put Houdini to shame. Their ability to understand and manipulate their environment is nothing short of astonishing. And you thought escaping from a difficult situation was tough. Imagine doing it with 8 arms. Flying back to land, let's talk about a bird that can't fly, the ostrich. Now don't be deceived by their inability to take to the skies. These creatures are the embodiment of the phrase, playing to your strengths. Despite being grounded, ostriches boast the largest eyes in the bird kingdom. That's right, each eye is bigger than its brain. These peepers give them a fantastic range of sight, helping them spot threats from afar. But that's not all. When it comes to speed, ostriches could give most horses a run for their money. They can sprint up to 43 miles per hour. So, who needs wings when you've got legs like an Olympic sprinter, right? Now let's get back to the ocean and meet the lobster. The lobster is a crustacean that's been around for over 300 million years. But that's not even the most fascinating part. You see, lobsters have a little secret: they're practically ageless. They can live up to a whopping 100 years. Yes, you heard it right, 100 years. And it doesn't stop there. Unlike us humans, who stop growing after adolescence, lobsters just keep on growing. They're like the Peter Pans of the sea, forever young and forever growing. It's a phenomenon scientists call indeterminate growth. So, the older a lobster is, the bigger it gets. There's no such thing as a midlife crisis for these guys. They're just out there living their best ever growing lives. So next time you see a giant lobster, remember it's probably older than your grandma. Talk about aging well, huh? Finally, let's end with a creature of the night, the bat. Now bats are an absolute marvel. Not only are they the only mammals that have mastered the art of sustained flight, but they also have a rather unique way of getting their beauty sleep. Yes, you guessed it, they sleep upside down. I know what you're thinking. How, and more importantly, why? Well, it's all about survival. Hanging upside down in secluded, high places keeps them safe from predators. Plus, it gives them a quick getaway. They simply let go, and gravity does the rest, aiding them in their flight. Their bodies are perfectly adapted for this upside-down lifestyle. Unlike us, they don't get a head rush because their hearts are strong enough to overcome gravity and efficiently pump blood. Imagine if we slept hanging upside down. Talk about a change of perspective.